Hello YouTube viewers, today I would like to do an update to the Ambient Weather BC-2000 charger. The last time I did a video on this was around August 10th of 2014. I've used this charger almost daily for the past 2.5 years, and it's worked really well. We use it for our remote controls, our gaming systems. It works great on AA batteries. You can see it showing the voltage of 1.44. Now it's up to 4 volts. The AAA batteries work great. Again, 1.27. Now it's going to charge. I've got the batteries taped so that you can't see the brand. I'm not sponsoring anybody, and they're not sponsoring me. But as you can see, the AA and AAA batteries is what it's limited to currently in this configuration. So if you have a C battery or D battery, what are you going to do? You can't fit them in, they won't work under the current configuration. But Ambient Weather has an adapter. It'll only fit 2 of them, and it slips in just like a battery. You'll see that there's a positive and a negative in there. You got to make sure that those are aligned properly. Remember, it locks in just like a battery. You can see the battery's already showing that it's charging and it's full. The other one plugged in, it's full. They both work. I really like it. I wish there was more room for more batteries. I mean, you can do 2 D batteries at a time, 2 C batteries at a time. But they fit in nice and secure, and it does a really good job. Well, that's the end of my review. I hope you found it useful. If you like the video, please like it, please share, and I appreciate it if you subscribe. Thank you and have a good day.